That's a 10 word per minute CW transmission. Hello guys, welcome to Senar BJ YouTube channel. For India 1, Zulu Victor here. Today I'm going to show you the progress of my ongoing CW Decoder Encoder project. The project still messy, but the main idea of modifying the CW decoder circuit to function as an encoder has already been achieved, and that's really a great achievement for me. Before we test run the system, let me first give you an idea as to how the system is functioning. First, what we have here is a cell phone. This is where you type your message. You can also use laptop, desktop, or any gadget that has a system or apps for CW or Morse code. What we just want here is an audio output coming from said devices. In this case, I am using a Morse code translator apps. It's a free apps for Android. Well, I also tried other apps. Some are working and some were not. It does just depend which apps is suited best for you. Once you play a Morse code audio, the system will automatically decode that into alphanumeric characters. That is the function of this CW decoder that I have purchased online from China. This is a very cheap CW decoder that is available online. I got this for only 457 pesos, including shipping. The audio input and output here were just a pass-through for a speaker. We did not attach a speaker on this as we don't need this for the meantime. Now the wires here, the white, the green, red, and black are connected at the back of this decoder. This is where the modification starts. What we did here is we have made a simple circuit. Never mind this messy circuit over here. These are intended for these capacitive touch switches that I'm planning to incorporate with the system. However, I still don't know if I'm going to continue with these switches, as I observed that its default setting is very sensitive. Well, I'm still trying to figure out how to adjust its sensitivity. Well, not designed for heavy hands like mine. But anyway, going back with this little circuit here, this is where the encoding is happening. From alphanumeric characters, this time into a Morse code signal for transmission. The signal will pass through this relay here, then goes directly to the key input of the transceiver. By the way, this transceiver here is not part of the project. It is attached here only for the purpose of this demonstration. Though it seems to look like a toy, but this is actually a real CW radio transceiver. The name is S-Pixie CW QRP radio. I got this online for only 515 pesos, including shipping. Uh, it comes with an acrylic glass casing like this one. It still has its protective brown paper cover, but this is a clear acrylic glass. You may order this as a kit or assembled. The price for a kit is definitely much cheaper compared to the assembled one, like this one that I ordered. If you have an extra time assembling it, then go for the kit. I think I have to make a separate video on this, but just to give you a short backgrounder of this cute little QRP radio transceiver. By the way, QRP is the code we used in amateur radio. That would mean low power. No? And this radio has an output power from 0.8 watts up to 1.2 watts. Well, that's already a power. That is why I soldered a 50 ohms 2 watts resistor here as dummy load to prevent stray current from radiating back to the radio, so as not to damage these two transistors here while transmitting. It operates on a fixed channel at 7.023 megahertz in the 40 meter band. Okay, going back with the system, let's power this up and let's see how this prototype encoder decoder is working. Okay, so let's type in here what any message that we want to send. Okay, and let's play this button. Okay, and that's it. It's now transmitting. All right, that's it. That's how it works. After this, I will try to complete this and do some fine tuning with this message circuit here before soldering it into PCB or printed circuit board. Then put this entire thing together inside an enclosure box. Well, excluding this QRP radio. Well, if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button that you may find right below this video in order to keep you posted with all my incoming videos. If you already subscribed, just give me a thumbs up and I will appreciate that very much. With that, thank you all guys for watching. See you on my next video. This is Senor BJ with the call sign of for India 1 Zulu Zulu Victor saying Assalamu alaikum and 73 Mabuhay.